Good morning, class. I just wanted to finish off this last question where they said find the solutions. I showed you the formal quadratic formula that is, this is the quadratic formula. And whenever you look it up, this is what they give. But I wanted to show you also how you can think of it using the formula that they used in our curriculum. So in our curriculum, the solutions to ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, they taught it as being this. X equals h plus or minus d, where h equals the vertex, location opposite of b over 2a, and d is the distance from the axis of symmetry to the 0, the x-intercept. And they came up with, they didn't show you how it came about, but they came up with d equaling the square root of h, not b. I was about to write the h squared minus, what was it? C over a. Sorry about that. C over a, because it's new to me. But I wanted to show it to you. All right? So, again, h is opposite of b over 2a. If you plug that in and rearrange things, you would get the quadratic formula. So, to solve this question, a equals 1, b equals negative 13, and c equals negative 8. Again, a, b, c. They're the numbers in front. That is why a is 1, because there's no numbers shown here. So you know there's a 1 right there. So plugging these numbers in to get h is the opposite of b over 2a. B is negative 13. So it's 13 over 2 times 1. So this is 13 halves, which is 6.5. All right? That's h. C is negative 8. And a equals 1. So d would be the square root of 6.5 squared minus a negative 8 over 1. Okay? It's minus a negative, so that's going to be 6.5 squared, which is some decimal. 6.5 squared is 6.5 squared, I mistyped it, is 42.25. Okay, so this is the square root of 42.25 plus, because it's minus a negative 8, plus 8. 42.25 plus 8 is 50.25. So it's the square root of 50.25. So x, which equals h plus or minus d, would be equal to 6.5 plus or minus the square root of 50.25. And that's the exact answer, including the decimals, or including the square root. And the decimal is just part of it. You can rewrite 50.25 as 50 and 1/4, and then 200 over 225 over 4. I mean, you could rearrange this, but that's the answer. Thank you.